Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be playing Flee the Facility. So let's get started. I just saw these, so let's just go this way. The best way. Go, 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 go. Let's hope we get to flee the facility. I am bad, she said. I will wait till she comes. And then I'm okay. She said, just leave. Thank you. She tried to get me. Aha. She tried to get me, but she couldn't. Yes, I have only one computer. We escaped. Yes. So how much coins do we have now? We have 103, so we can go to the shop. One of these, or we can buy one of these. No, let's buy one of these. Okay. No! Which one is that? Let's see, red is a common one. I got a common one. These are the epic ones. Okay, well, oops, go back. Well, that could be our new gemstone, Rusty Red. Oh, they're both red. That's cool. That's cool. Let's do abandoned facility. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna show you guys the secret spot I discovered the day it first came out. So I was like, oh, look at this. You could just go under and you can look under. So I kept going. And then I noticed that there was like blockways, so I had to follow the ones that were open. And I found this little room. I'm like, oh wow, this has to be one of these rooms. I'm like, oh yeah. And I'm like, it's a secret place. So now you guys know. Share it with your friends. So I'm a survivor. So yeah. So I hope I'll be the first one to hack the computer. I'm not saying yes, I'm not saying no, but I'm saying maybe. Probably not, but probably. I don't know. I just don't know. Oh yeah, come help me. Tropical girl. Help me. Dang, it goes way faster. I like it when it's 3 people because it just goes fast. Really, really fast. But with 2 people, it goes pretty fast. Go, 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 go. There. So I have experience. I just gotta say that. That's my videos about that. No, I'm gonna wait. Ah! Peace, peace, peace. Okay, I think I'm gonna hit stuff to that. So. Oh, really fast. So close the door. Dang, dang. That's perfect. Let's all go before me. Oh, go back out, go back out. Oh, she got caught by the beast. Oh no. Rest in peace if you die. Okay, so I gotta find someone, cause like, she finds me, I'm dead meat. Dead meat. Let's just say that. No computer up here, really? Okay. I rolled her? Oops, now there's a problem. My head is technically stuck. So like, how am I gonna get this? Oh wow. Just framed myself out of here. Okay, so she can put somebody through that one. Oh, thank the Lord. I was scared that I was gonna die. I'm like, Rest in peace, myself, if she finds me. But she literally passes me. I'm like, oh wow. Wow. Oh no! Somebody got captured. Let's go save them. They're all coming to help you. Literally all are. You go save her, we'll just hack this computer. Good plan. Good plan. How did I move? I'm like, what? She said, bye guys, I'm going to die. Bye guys. You don't know that. What if she's going to go save you? Oh, let's hurry this computer stuff up because she's about to die. And she's frozen. Rest in peace. You're a good soul. Oops. Let's hurry up and have to do first one. No, let's go. Let's dip. Let's go. Bruh. How do I go in the back? That's perfect. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are you going? I'll follow where you go. In case you find a computer. What? Oh, there was a window? The one I was in? Really? How did I not see that? Nope. No computers in there. Which way did she go? Why is it so dark? Nope. I'm gonna just follow her so I can help her with the computer so we can already connect it. Cause I'm not trying to die. Bro, why did she close the door behind me? Am I not gonna help you with the computer? You know what? I wanna escape, so I'm doing it anyway. So we might escape! Woo! Oh! Oopsie. So we double did it? This one. Now, why does she keep pushing me? That is mean, you know. Oh, run! She's guarding it? We all escaped! Yay, game's over! Yay! Oh yeah, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Good try, but we all passed you. Okay, now let's pick the next map. Oops. I switched places. I wanna try airport. Didn't I do that? But still. Yeah. So, I teleported to the trading post. So, if you guys don't know what that is, for demonstration, I'll show you guys. So, I'm gonna add all these people because they are good people. Good people. She probably said, oh, never mind. Okay. Well, let's go to the trading post. You have to be past 5 on level on free with facility. Okay. I was gonna say, am I supposed to move and I'm not able there? So it's learn free the facility, but it's not really free the facility. It's like a trading post. I don't know what it is. I haven't been to it, so let's see what it is. I'll experiment with you guys. Okay, be careful when trading. Do not trade items for Robux. Complete trades in one session or you may get scammed. Be safe. Okay, perfect. Sure. What do you want to trade? Cameras? Redstone? I'll trade you air. So, I don't really know how to do this. So, let's just see. Smash Bros. For s'mores? Well, this doesn't look like much fun. It's just like a trading post. Whatever. Oh, she fell! Rest in peace, your legs. Okay, so this is like a little camping. It's pretty cool. This is like an obby. It's so cool, like an obby. So let's go. No, wait, go. Where's that supposed to be? Over there. Oh, okay. Let's try that again. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, now let's try this once again. Okay. No, I went too far. I went too far. So let's do this now. Try once again. Ow. Made a circle around the neighbor. I just want to see Chin go, and then I'll go. No, I keep jumping a little too far. Yeah, can I please have you cash hammer? Okay, so you can't pretty much do anything. You just trade. I don't even know how people trade. But yeah, I have halfway nothing in this game. There, not good, and I have one. Oh, what is that? What are these? I never did this before, so there's the bridge. Leads you to a castle. This is like when you all sit together for ceremony. Oh, I thought these were jump trampolines. Oh wow, it's just an umbrella. Okay, so you could supposedly you can now walk in water. Walk in and on water. That's cool. So awesome. What? Momo or Chocolate Mo? I already have Momo as my gemstone. Yeah, so yeah. Yep. So now let's go over here. Oh, he's at the top of the castle. Wait, do you have to? How the heck do you get up there? What? Oh, you gotta do this. I don't even know how I'm supposed to do this. I'm totally clueless. I don't want to try it at all. Let's go. Oh, you can just cut this way. Nobody said that. Nobody told me that. Oh, you climb on top of the tree. That's fine. Following what this dude does. Jump! Dang it, dang it, dang it. Let's try once again. Jump! Oh, I made it. I made it. No, and I fell. That's sad. Okay, I made it, but then I fell. So it's like, why? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Thank you. Oh, he jumped on my head to get the credit. That's me. Okay, so now, oh, you go all of that. Oh, this is like an obby. Oh, this is how you do it. Oh, no, I fell. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button and comment down if you liked this video or not. But I hope half of the comments say yes, because I tried my best in this game, and I showed you guys the trading post, so if you're not at level 5, you know what the trading post is all about. It's just about trading and all that, and like little mini obbies while you're doing the trading and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to go check out Nightfox. Nightfox is my favorite. I always watch him every day because he's like literally my favorite YouTuber. And I'm not an offense to any of your other favorite YouTubers, but Nightfox is my favorite. Love you guys. Bye guys.